again with this shit, man. What? What's making me sneeze so much? It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning, man. Excuse me. Fuck. Can this stop, please? Like, fuck. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Good. Oh my god. Just stop, please. Fuck. Fuck. What's making me sneeze so much? I don't know. Let me just plug my nose for a second. I have no clue. What's making me like this? Anyways, I'll see you later. Bye bye.